Last question.
Even I finished. I wrote and finished. Means do you want to write it again? Three boys step off together from the same spot. Okay. Their steps measures 63 centimeter, 70 centimeter, and 77 centimeter respectively. 1 minute, I'll write if you want.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
1 minute, children, 1 minute.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have written up to all can cover. Only that much.
Oh, 1 minute.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Cover.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Cover.
Distance and complete steps.
1 minute.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Due to network problem, last class I was not able to attend.
1 minute. Who is asking me? Who is? Will you tell something? Please loudly.
Ma'am, due to problem, I was not.
She was not.
I will write now. Okay. Three boys step off together. Three boys step off together from the same spot. From the same spot. From the same spot. Their steps measures 63 centimeter, 70 centimeter, and 77 centimeter. Centimeter respectively. What is the minimum distance? What is the, those who did not write can write now. What is the minimum distance? Minimum distance. What is the minimum distance? Each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps. All can cover the distance in complete steps.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So this question, you can see one word, minimum distance. Minimum distance. Minimum means it is highest, lowest. Which what is the indication? Lowest. So I will tell one example. See, children, sometimes the traffic lights are blinking. Traffic lights, red, yellow, and green. Sometimes if the bulb is blinking at an interval of 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds. Okay. One bulb will blink after 10 seconds, then 20 seconds and 30 seconds, suppose. And they start blinking at 7 a.m. morning. Okay, sometimes they will blink together, no? At one time. At one time, suppose if it is the 7 hours and 30 minutes, 7.5, 7:30 a.m. These 3 bulbs will blink together. Clear? Like that. The same question, the same type of question. 3 boys step off together from the same spot. One person like this, one person like this, and one person like this, step off together. But sometimes in somewhere they will meet. Together they will meet, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So sometimes this person will come cover the distance, this person will cover this much distance, this person will cover this much distance, and at one step they will be meeting together. Is it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So in such a case, traffic lights are blinking, bell is ringing, 3 bells are ringing, some boys are step off together with the minimum distance, their steps measures like that. All this question, if it is minimum comes, you have to do the LCM. Okay. So LCM of 63, 70 and 77. Will you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
LCM of 63, 77 and 70.
3, 77.
These all are multiples of 7, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we can divide by 7. 9, 10, 11. Now? Now with 2. With 2 or 3. Now with 3. Just check, children, what is your answer? LCM we will do till 1, 1. Okay, will you multiply it and find out? LCM is?
Yes, ma'am.
7 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 11. Find out. Answer? Answer, did you get the same answer?
Can you move the board up?
Yes, ma'am. Did you get the same answer, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
When you multiplied, it is it 6,930?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
6,930 centimeter is the answer.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
minimum distance each should walk.
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
Okay, 6,930. Okay. I'll give one question. And you have to find out whether we can use LCM or HCF. Shall I raise, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
This is the third question for you. Okay. Renu purchases. Renu purchases. Renu purchases 2 bags of fertilizer of weight 75 kilogram and 69 kilogram. Find the maximum value of weight. Find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times.
HCF.
Yes.
Ma'am, HCF.
HCF, yes. So we'll do the HCF of 75 and 69.
And 5.
Ma'am, 3.
3, yes.
And 5.
25 and 23. Now, is it possible, children?
No, ma'am.
23 is a prime number.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, not.
So what is HCF?
3.
3.
HCF is 3. So 3 kilogram. Question is maximum value of weight. Maximum value of weight. Equal to 3 kilogram.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, can you scroll the board a little
Up, down.
up, ma'am? Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay. 3 kilogram.
Ma'am, finish. Right.
Yes. Now, Smriti, shall I raise?
Wait, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, you can erase.
Okay. So, next question. Question number 4. Question number 4. In a morning walk, in a morning walk, in a morning walk, three persons step off together. Step off together. Step off together. Their steps measure. Their steps measure. Steps measure 80 centimeter, 85 centimeter, and 90 centimeter respectively. What is the minimum distance? What is the minimum distance? What is the minimum distance? Each should walk. Each should walk. Each should walk so that all can cover the same distance in complete steps.
Ma'am, LCM.
How did you understand? It is
Minimum.
given that
Minimum
minimum distance each should walk.
Yes, ma'am.
Minimum distance. Okay, so will you try to do?
Yes,
It is
ma'am. Ma'am, we can do it with 5.
Yes.
With 5 we can do.
Yes. It is a long process. 80 LCM of 80, 85, 90.
90.
Okay? With the 5 or with the 2?
And 5, ma'am.
5.
Is it 18? No, 16.
16.
Right?
16, ma'am.
16.
And then 13.
Then?
12.
Then?
17.
17.
then
18.
18. Okay, now
Now,
And 2.
with the 2 we will do. With the 2. Two numbers we can take. Two numbers at a time. Because since it is LCM, two numbers at a time. Again?
8, 17, 19, and
Nothing. So if you want, you try to do like this 4, 17, 9. Then with the 2, 17, 9. With the 2, 1, 17, 9. And with the 3, 1, 17, 3. And with the 3, 1, 17, 1. And with the 1, 17, 1, 1, 1. Celsium is
7 multiple.
LCM is LCM 2 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4.
can you scroll the board a little up?
Yes. Why you want to scroll the board? Question you did not write?
No, ma'am.
Why? Okay. Enough?
Yes, ma'am.
Multiply, children.
2120.
Yes.
Ma'am, is it 2120?
So children, multiply this. 9 into 17. Then multiply with 8.
Ma'am, I
Huh? Yes?
got 12,940.
Yes, 12,240.
240. 12,240.
Yes, 12,240. 12,240 centimeter.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I finished writing. Ma'am, I finished writing.
Yes.
Ma'am, finished. Ma'am, I finished writing.
Mm.
Ma'am, I finished.
Question.
Okay, children. So, one more question. This is all application of LCM and HCF applications. Okay, children. Now, shall I erase?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
Yes.
Question.
Fifth one. Okay, it's a very important question. Find the least number. Find the least number. Least number. Which when divided by? Which when divided by 12, 16, 24 and 36. And 36 leaves a reminder. Leaves a reminder. 7 in each case. It's a very important question. So you cannot simply do like this. But it is very easy also. We can use the LCM and find the answer. But if you do not know, if you do not understand, if you do not remember to use LCM, it is a waste. You cannot find the answer. It will be a time waste. Find the least number. Least number means we have to find the LCM. Least, right? Least. But I will show you how it is possible. Here, one number is there. The question is, there is one number. Okay. Then that number, when you divide that number by 12, by 16, by 24, all these numbers, last you will get a reminder 7. When you divide that number with all the given numbers, you will get a reminder 7 in all the cases. Okay, so I will explain how we will do that. Okay, children, suppose you take 7 and 5. What is the LCM of 7 and 5?
30. 35.
7 and 5, LCM. LCM of 7 and 5. Yes, yes, yes.
35.
35. You know it. 35. Okay, children. Now, when I divide 35 by 7, what is a reminder? It completely divides, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is a reminder?
0.
When I divide 35 by 5, what is a reminder?
0.
True. But if I add 1 to it, 35 plus 1. Suppose if I add 35 plus 1, what is the answer? 36.
36.
Suppose I am adding 35 plus 1, 36. You divide 36 by 7. What is the reminder?
1.
At which number we added, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, and when we divide 36 by 5, what is the reminder?
1.
1. Okay. So, if I add 3, 35 plus 3, what is the reminder?
3.
3. Because when you divide 35 plus 3, it is 38. 38 divided by 7. 5, 35. Reminder is 3.
3.
So which number we adding? We are adding to the LCM. That number will get as a reminder. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
I will explain once more. Suppose if I am adding 3 to the LCM. LCM is 35. LCM is 35. I am adding 3 to LCM. So 35 plus 3 is 38. We are dividing 38 by 5. Reminder is 3. If I am dividing 38 by 7, 38 by 5. Reminder is again 3. Okay, children? So did you understand the clue?
Yes, ma'am.
If you want to get a reminder, in the question it is 7. We want to get a reminder 7 in each case. How will you get the reminder 7? What is the procedure? What is the procedure? Tell me, children. What is the procedure? How can you find? Which number? How will you get the number? What is the procedure? Now what we did? We took 7 and 5 and what we did? We took 7 and 5 and what we did?
And we divided it with
What we did, children?
and we divided it.
No. First process.
LCM.
LCM of 7 and 5. So whenever you get a question like this, divided by 12, 16, 24 and 36, these numbers, you find the LCM of this number and which number we are adding, that number we will get as a reminder, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So find the LCM of 12, 16, 24 and 36 and what is the procedure? What is that number? How will you do? With the LCM, we should add 7.
Yes,
Clear? So that number, when you did, that is 35 plus 1, 36.
36.
If my question is, which number when you divide with 7 and 5 gives a reminder 1 in each case? If my question is, which number when you divide 7 and 5 gives a reminder 1 in each case, how will you do? Just now we did.
First we have to find the
Ma'am,
LCM.
so LCM, find the LCM and then add
35 and
1. Add 1.
add 1. What is the number? 36.
36.
If my question is to reminder 2,
Add 2.
add 2. And what is that number?
37.
37. If my question is reminder 3,
38.
38. Same process. So we have to find LCM of this number and add this reminder 7 to that number. One number 7 to that number. Okay. Okay, children? Okay. So it is a very important question. 12, 16, 24 and 36. Okay, children? Will you try? No time now?
Yes,
Will you try? Okay. What is the first number we can divide?
2.
2.
Tell me. 6,
8,
8,
8.
12,
12,
18.
Yes, ma'am. 18.
Next,
again 2.
2
Ma'am, then
again.
again 2.
Yes, ma'am.
3,
3,
4,
4,
4,
6,
6,
6,
And
9,
9.
9,
Again, we
Yes,
can
ma'am.
divide with 2
2. Yes,
or
ma'am.
3. 2. 2 will divide.
Yes, ma'am.
3,
3,
3,
2,
2,
2,
3,
3,
9.
9.
9. Now,
Into
2,
with the 2 again.
1,
3, 1,
3,
3,
1,
1,
3,
6,
9.
9.
9,
Now,
3,
3,
3.
1,
1,
1,
1, 1,
1, 3.
3.
Again 3.
Again with the 3.
again 3,
1, 1, 1,
1, 1.
1, 1,
1, 1. Okay. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Find the answer, children.
and 144.
8 into
ma'am 144,
9. 16 into 9. 16 into 9.
Yes, ma'am. 144.
144.
144.
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
this the required number?
No, ma'am. So
No.
plus 7.
So we have to write. We have to write that. The required number is. The required number is. Number is 7 more than 144. That is 144 plus 7 equal to 151. Okay, children, now I'll show you. This 151, if you divide with 12. 12. Okay. 1, 12. Then 3 is a reminder. 31, bring down. Then 12, 2 times 24. 7 is reminder. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is a clue. Otherwise, you will not do it. It is very difficult to do by the usual method. The usual method means, how will you do? You have to find all the multiples. Then each number you have to divide and find out. So this is a very easy method to find LCM and add 7.
Am I finished writing?
Yes,
I
yes,
finish
yes.
writing?
Am I finished?
Yes. Okay, children, I'll send the homeworks to you. From factor tree, factor tree, HCF,
Okay,
and
ma'am.
some word problems.
Okay,
okay,
ma'am.
ma'am,
Okay.
Okay,
So will you do
okay,
it?
ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am,
Yes,
Ameya, you were there in some of the classes. You are absent in some classes. What happened, Ameya? Yes. Sorry, Ameya.
ma'am, there is a
network connection.
Ah,
Network.
okay, 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 okay. Okay. So shall I wind up now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you.
So thank you, children.
Thank you,
Tomorrow
ma'am.
also we
Thank you,
have
ma'am.
class.
Ma'am.
Tomorrow we
ma'am.
have remedial period. Time I will inform. Okay, children. Tomorrow
ma'am.
Okay,
I
ma'am.
have a webinar. Webinar, you know, like a Zoom meeting. One seminar is now it is in webinar. Okay, so I will adjust the time and send it in today's
Okay,
class.
ma'am.
Tomorrow
Okay,
morning. Okay.
ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank
Okay,
you.
ma'am.
Bye, bye,
Thank
bye.
you,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you,
Thank you,
children.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.